Historical seafront. This spectacular 3-bedroom apartment with astounding sea views is set in a gracious Grade 1 listed Regency building, once the home of art collector Captain Henry Hill and recently renovated as seen on Channel 4. The moment you step inside this atmospheric home, you know it is special, with the hallway providing access to the 6 salons and stairs up to the amazing roof terrace. Staying indoors, the spacious kitchen diner offers a fascinating mix of traditional grandeur and urban chic, with challenger units and a gas range. Also on this floor, the peaceful sitting room has 2 arched windows overlooking the courtyard, as well as a wood-burning stove. Entered via elegant floor-to-ceiling doors, the master bedroom, complemented by a bathroom and dressing room, is breathtaking. The room features an imposing oval glass skylight through which you can admire the heavens. Serving the other bedrooms, there is a luxury bathroom which again blends classic and contemporary styles. Indeed, all of the bedrooms are lit from the sky, with one salon being sensitively transformed into 2 ensuite shower or wet rooms. The owner, who is prepared to negotiate the sale of items in the apartment, says they wanted to acknowledge the creativity of the original owner, the romance of the Regency period, and the needs of the modern family. For more information, please contact Brand Vaughan today.